Hi everyone, I'm Carolyn Waygood, board certified doctor of naturopathy and certified natural health professional. I'm also a clinical aromatherapist, so I use essential oils and nutrition quite extensively in helping people achieve optimal wellness. Well, one of the tools in my toolkit also happens to be the concepts of energy medicine. And the more and more I educate my clients on the use of subtle frequencies, these are inaudible frequencies, to help address common health concerns, the more and more I see the power of these frequencies in addressing health issues and living a drug-free life, breaking our dependency on drugs and chemicals. The use of low-level frequencies is an emerging field in both science and medicine. And one of the products I want to introduce you to is EMRO Quantum. And EMRO Quantum has a variety of small topical discs. They're made out of microfilm. It's similar to the shiny holographic disc you see on my sternum. I'll talk about that in a second. And these discs are imprinted with low-level frequencies, actually hundreds of them, that when brought into close contact with the body begins through sympathetic resonance to improve, unblock, rebalance dysfunctional energy patterns in the human body that are linked to certain adverse symptoms. Let's say pain, stress, sinus allergy symptoms, etc. And like I said, this is an emerging field of science and medicine. So you can Google energy medicine, you can Google sound as medicine, vibration as medicine. All of these things, even color is integrated into what we call vibrational or frequency therapies. And so there's lots of information out there on the effectiveness of certain frequencies and how they interact with the human body and specific at the cellular level. And getting back to EMRO Quantum, they have a very, very small boutique line of what we call quantum energy products that are imprinted with very specific frequency formulas to support the body's natural energy system. We call it our bioenergetic system. You might hear it referred to as our bioelectric system. And these products are really super simple to use. And we've got a variety of topical discs. You specifically saw the small holographic disc that I wear on my sternum. That is our Immune Boost disc. And Immune Boost is worn on the sternum to help basically boost our immune processes, strengthen our immune functions. But there's a variety of other discs that EMRO Quantum offers, from back relief disc, which reduces pain in large muscle groups or joints. We have a cell phone defense disc that can be placed on any electronic device to help protect us from harmful EMFs, which are electromagnetic fields that the device emits. We have quantum circulation that helps reduce swelling or congestion in soft tissue or even in lymph or cardiovascular tissues. The Immune Boost disc, it's hard to see because it's white, but I talked about that. That is strengthening our immune defenses. We have quantum performance to help with energy levels and mental clarity. Quantum relief helps reduce pain in smaller muscle groups and smaller joints, as well as one of my favorites, quantum sinus allergy. That's worn behind each ear. I wear that every week. And quantum sleep helps to entrain the brain during sleeping to calm down and reach that lower delta brainwave pattern for reparative regenerative sleep. And also the quantum stress relief disc, which again, similar to sinus allergy, is worn behind each ear and helps to calm the stress system, the sympathetic nervous system. We also have a series of bracelets or wristbands. This is the energy wristband, and you'll see I'm wearing it on my wrist here, as well as a variety of different energy bracelets. They're beautiful, and they are extremely healthy for our energy system as well as basic energy flow throughout the body. So what I want to do is, if you are watching this video and you are interested in natural health, you're interested in drug-free alternatives to common health issues or concerns, and you're new to energy medicine, or maybe you know about energy medicine, but you're new to EMRO Quantum, I want you to reach out to me, and I will send you a product catalog that has an explanation of each of the products that we offer. So for example, you're going to see a page on quantum sleep. You're going to see another page on quantum relief. But here's what I'll tell you, is it's not just any product catalog. What I did was I am including, you'll see here, 2 samples of each of our discs. So here's 2 samples of the quantum back relief, for example, 2 samples of our quantum performance. So this catalog contains 2 samples of every disc that EMRO Quantum offers, as well as a little handout on how to use each of those discs and what they are good for. So this product catalog with the samples in it is about an $80 value. I want to offer that to you for free. I will mail that to you for free, simply because I want you to try the EMRO Quantum products. I want to introduce you to energy medicine and the power of frequency therapies. And I want to help raise awareness within our communities that there are drug-free alternatives to some of our most stubborn and common health issues. So definitely comment to me. I will check back on this video periodically and let me know if you would like your product catalog with 2 samples of each of our discs. God bless you all, and welcome to the future of medicine, energy medicine.